Let me ask you a very honest question. How long do you think it takes to get monetized on YouTube? 3 weeks, 1 month, or a few viral videos? If that's what you believe, I need you to sit down for this video. In this video, I'm going to break down how long it really takes to get monetized on YouTube. If you're a small creator starting from zero, no fake motivation, no overnight success story, just the truth, so you don't quit too early. You're welcome. You're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious. You know, on this channel we're about growth. We want to grow small creators. If you want to grow on YouTube, you want to learn the real tricks on YouTube, no hype, no lies, you want to know the real things that happen, this video is for you. This channel is also for you. This video is for new YouTubers under 1,000 subscribers, creators stuck below 4,000 watch time hour, people posting consistently but seeing low views, people posting consistently but seeing slow progress. Anyone confused about short versus long form video? If you want honest answer instead of hype, you are in the right place. You're welcome. Because YouTube monetization is not hard, but it is misunderstood. Before we talk about time, let us talk about what monetization really is. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch time in the last 12 months, or 10 million short views in 90 days. Most beginners focus on subscribers. That's the mistake. Subscribers are the easiest part. Watch hours are what delay most people. And this is where long form content becomes powerful. Here's the biggest lie on YouTube. If I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be rich. My darling, it is a no. Monetization only gives you the permission to earn, not guarantee money. Monetized channel makes very little. Some make a lot. The difference is content type, watch time, audience structure. Monetization is a starting line, but not a finish line. Let's be realistic. Here are the real timeline for most small creators. No strategy, random videos, no niche, no structure. Monetization, 1 to 3 years, or they never get it. The second one, shorts. They post shorts only. Fast view, low watch time. Monetization unpredictable or unstable. Monetization most times is unpredictable or unstable. For the third one, long form focus. That's actually the best option. You see, people that post long form content, their earnings on YouTube are different. I'm not trying to say that people that post shorts do not earn. It's different. For instance, if you create a 8 to 10 minutes video, clear niche, weekly upload, the monetization between 6 to, it depends. I've seen someone that started YouTube in 2 weeks. She got monetized. Yeah. She got monetized in 2 weeks. One, she already has an audience because that lady does TikTok. She already has the, you get now, just like I said, just like I've been saying from the beginning of this video, your audience. She already had an audience. I think she was already grown up to like how many followers on TikTok. So she's already known, her face is already there compared to you that is just coming into the picture. So it's actually going to take time, but trust me, you are going to succeed. So monetization 6 to 12 months. This is why you are smart for choosing long form content. Let's do a simple math. 120 minutes video, someone watches 10 minutes, 10 watch hour per viewer. That is, if 100 people watches a video, equals to 1,000 watch minutes. Now compare that to shorts. You need thousands of short views to match that. Long form videos build watch time faster, allow me to ads, build trust, attract better advertisers. This is why long form content pays more after monetization. Many creators hit 1,000 subscribers and then stop because they chase virality. They stop improving. They expect YouTube to reward them. YouTube rewards satisfaction, not milestone. If your videos don't keep people watching, monetization will save you. Growth must continue after monetization. This is why it's very important. Before monetization, your focus should be improving hook, improving titles, improving retention, understanding your audience, not checking revenue you don't have yet. This time that you are just starting, use it to build authority, learn how the analytics works, create evergreen videos. Creators who prepare early earn more later. Let me be honest again. Your first YouTube paycheck may be small, disappointing, even shocking. That's normal. Income grows with consistent long-form videos, better audience targeting. Time is slow money. but it's a stable income if you are actually dedicated. If you're serious about YouTube, don't rush the process. Monetization comes faster to creators who focus on long form content. Build trust. Stay patient. If this video helped you, comment. I am in for long term. Subscribe if you want honest YouTube growth and monetization advice, especially for small creators. In my next video, I will explain how the YouTube algorithm works for small channels in a way anyone can understand. Thank you very much for staying till this moment. See you on my next one. Bye.